it's me, Hasba with WTI, and this soap right here is definitely something that you've seen before, but maybe you haven't tried. So that's why today I wanted to tell you everything I love about it. This is the Iris Spring Original Deodorant Bar Soap. These are deodorant soaps, and it is made with flaxseed oil. And what I love about it is that it helps me wash away the bacteria on my body, and I feel fresh for up to 12 hours, which is amazing. So I would highly recommend this soap whenever you're going out for a long time. It has a unique and interesting scent to it. It is so fresh. And every time I take a shower, the bathroom keeps smelling like the soap for hours because it is like a bomb of freshness. My body feels so clean after taking a shower with it, and I have personally used it before going to the gym, before doing exercise, and I am just perfect. Let me tell you, I don't smell, and I just still feel fresh even though I'm sweaty. So yeah, this is hands down the best soap for my shower whenever I know that I'm gonna move a lot during my day. So yes, it keeps me feeling fresh and smells amazing. So it has everything I'm looking for in a soap. So if you guys want to try it out too, I would highly recommend it. That's just my point of view.